Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be reading Truck Full of Ducks by Ross Barach. Munch, munch, munch. Oh no, the directions. Don't worry, ducks. We'll find the customer. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, not me. I called for a mail truck. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Truck? Not me, buddy. I call for a dump truck. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, dude, not us. We call for an ice cream truck. Who called for a truck full of ducks? Did you call for a truck full of ducks? It wasn't me, matey. I called for a truck full of crackers, not quackers. Full of crackers. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Sorry, Earthling. I called for a tow truck. 30,000 light years away, huh? This is gonna cost ya. Spaceship broke down. Who called for a truck full of ducks? You're in luck. Last potty for miles. That's another sign. Hurry up, ducks. Back in the truck. The clock is ticking. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No more ducks. I call for a duck removal truck. This truck removes the ducks. Sucks them all up. Did anyone call for a truck full of ducks? Did you say truck full of ducks? That's me. Oh, the deep, dark woods. Someone over here. Look at all the signs. It says dead end, caution, one scary way, hungry fox, no Wi-Fi. Who do you think lives over here? Okay, ducks, out of the truck. See, I told you not to worry. Perfect timing. My dinner. Ooh, look at their faces. It's over. Time for my bath. Everyone looks so happy. They were not eaten by the fox. Bath time gig stand. How'd you know, Frank? Thanks for calling Truck Full of Ducks. We'll be right there. That ends. And I hope you like this book, this really silly book. And what would you do with the ducks if you order a truck full of ducks? Have a great weekend. Bye.